100 Top Persian Phrases, Part 9. Hello, my lovely friends. Welcome back to Learn Persian with Asal. Today we have the part 9 and the last part of 100 top Persian phrases. If you want to watch all parts of 100 top Persian phrases, you can go on Learn Persian with Asal channel on the playlist tab. Check the 100 top Persian phrases playlist and watch the all parts. If you want to learn Persian with Asal, please subscribe to Learn Persian with Asal channel and like the video. Okay, let's start it. 91. خوش اومدی. خوش اومدی. خوش اومدی. Welcome. 92. پیش میاد. پیش میاد. پیش میاد. It happens. You use this phrase when someone messed up or someone made a mistake and you want to reassure them or calm them down, and you can say پیش میاد. Okay, it's okay. It happens. It's not your fault. 93. یادم نمیاد. یادم نمیاد. یادم نمیاد. I don't remember. 94. بد نیستم. بد نیستم. بد نیستم. Not bad. I'm not bad. Okay, when someone say, how are you? خوبی؟ چطوری? You can say, bad نیستم. I'm not bad. I'm not very good and I'm not very bad. So, bad نیستم. 95. تبریک میگم. تبریک میگم. تبریک میگم. Congratulations. We had another phrase that was synonym to تبریک میگم. Okay. Do you remember? Can you write them in the comments? 96. یادت باشه. یادت باشه. یادت باشه. Remember. This phrase is sometimes challenging because it depends on your tone and it depends the way you say this phrase. For example, if someone do something that made you sad or upset, you can say یادت باشه. یادت باشه. یادت باشه چی کار کردی. Okay, remember what you have done. Okay, it means I will remember it and I won't forget it, and someday I will do something about that. Okay, so but if you just say یادت باشه, for example, یادت باشه باید به دکترم زنگ بزنم. Remember, I have to call my doctor. They remind you of something because you have an appointment with a doctor, or you want to do something and it's very important to you, and you just tell someone that یادت باشه, I have to do this. Okay, remind me. Okay, it's very important. 97. راحت باش. راحت باش. راحت باش. Feel free, or literally it means be comfortable. For example, someone comes into your house, into your home, and you want to tell them that help yourself or feel free and be comfortable. Okay, don't be shy, and because in Persian culture, in Iranian culture, we have tarof. If you don't know what is tarof, I have a podcast about it. You can listen to that podcast and know what is tarof. Okay, because we have tarof in our culture, so it's very important that tell your guest راحت باش. Okay, tarof nakon, راحت باش. 98. به امید دیدار. به امید دیدار. به امید دیدار. So long. Or I hope to see you. This phrase can be used as saying goodbye, but in a formal way. It's not informal, it's not very friendly. We have another phrases when you want to say goodbye. Okay, write them in comments for me. What kind of phrases you use to say goodbye in Persian? 99. خدا رو شکر. خدا رو شکر. خدا رو شکر. Thank God. This phrase have many usage. For example, you ask someone, خوبی؟ چطوری? How are you? And they say, خوبم. And in response, you can say, خدا رو شکر. Okay, thank God. Thank God that you are okay. Or also you can say, خوبم. خدا رو شکر. I'm fine. Thank God. Or when you want to be thankful of something, you can use this phrase. So this phrase is very common and used in lots of situations. And the last one, 100. مهم نیست. مهم نیست. مهم نیست. It is not important. You can use this phrase in some ways. For example, when you want to say something is not important, you simply just say مهم نیست. Or someone made a mistake, just like in the number 92 phrase پیش میاد. پیش میاد. Okay, پیش میاد. مهم نیست. اشکالی نداره. We have studied these phrases. Okay guys, that was the 100 top Persian phrases. I hope you enjoyed this playlist, and I will continue making similar videos. I know this is your favorite ones. So if you don't want to miss other videos like this, subscribe to Learn Persian with Asal. And if you want to support my content, please like the video and write a comment. I'm Asal. Thanks for watching. Love you. Bye.